Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to Mts Ideas. So in today's video, I'll show you how to download and save any Instagram video in your gallery to watch it offline. This is part 1 and we'll begin with step 1. After opening Instagram, we'll see the video which we want to download or which we want to save in our gallery. After selecting the video, we are going to click on this share icon. As you click on share, you'll be able to see that you have got a download option below, through which you can download this Instagram video in your gallery. As you can see, it has been downloaded in my gallery with the audio. Now friends, let's quickly move on to step 2 of how to download the video in your gallery. First of all, we'll install the app named AZ Screen Recorder. Once you open the app, you'll be able to see this type of interface in front of you, and then you have to click on the record button to record your screen with the audio. Over here, I'll be selecting any random video and then I'll click on this orange icon as you can see, and I will start the recording. Once the video gets over, click on the record button again and click on this square icon to stop the recording. So guys, that is it for today. If you have any doubts regarding this video, you may write them in the comment section below. Also, I am going to share more methods in my next video, which is part 2 of how to save any Instagram video in your gallery with and without any third-party app. For that, stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to MTS Ideas. Also, please like, share the video. Meet you in the next video. Take care. Have a nice day.